The Greater Wildwood Hotel and Motel Association is going to file suit against the state treasury. I know that they've talked with you before about the issues that the condos are not paying the tax and they're paying the tax. They don't think it's fair. First, I want to just get your reaction on the lawsuit, and then from there, I just have one follow up on that.
I believe that I can understand their viewpoint. However, I think that the real answer here is that, quite frankly, the hotel-motel tax should have been repealed. Perhaps there should have been a very small tax that should be only used for the arts, history, and tourism, and to continue and create a stronger revenue stream for those areas, though. But I believe it's more productive when you lower taxes and create economic energy in that way. So I am not particularly in favor of increasing the tax or expanding the tax. I can understand where they do believe that it is unfair and inappropriate, but I would rather see it actually repealed as far as the hotels and motels.
Now, they say the law is on the books that the condos should be paying this tax, and I understand what you're saying. And, I'm not, not to push you, but obviously the state's certainly in some financial issues. It would almost make sense that this is something that, if it's on the books, that it should be, it should be looked at. I mean, that would be it's a fair viewpoint to have, right?
It certainly, I'm sure Treasury, especially now that they're instituting a lawsuit, will evaluate it. It very well may be decided in the courts, and I can understand their viewpoint. But this is a legal decision and a technical decision that has to be made, and it should be made by the courts, and it should be made by Treasury, and Treasury should pay attention to it. However, my viewpoint as far as public policy is that we are taxing more than enough, and actually we should equal the field by not increasing the tax to somebody else, but by decreasing the tax that is already levied upon the hotels and motels. We certainly need to create a revenue stream, again, for tourism, arts, history, cultural activities, which enhance the Cape May County area. But I don't know that the way to do it. In fact, I disagree that the way to do it is to expand the tax.